Welcome to Playtime Kids Time channel. It's me, Callie. Hi, welcome to Playtime Kids Time. It's me, Callie. Let's do the unboxing. This is a huge box. Okay, I'm not gonna rotate the box because my address is on the other side. What happened to the light? A little bit. Okay. Forgive me for changing lights. If you're doing the unboxing of your parcel, make sure that you use the scissors carefully, okay? Good. I'm having a hard time using the scissors. Okay. This is a tough one. Okay. Okay. It's really hard to unbox this one because let's see what's inside. Because the reason why it has this bubble wrap, a lot of bubble wrap, because are you ready? Are you ready to see what's inside the box? Of course, it's another set of painting, DIY painting again, but this one is different from the first painting set. This is a plaster figurine. This, see it right now? This is a plaster figurine. Look at this plaster figurine. Now with inclusion of, let's see, 6 color paint. This is actual paint, not sand painting. This is not sand painting. This is an actual paint. And this is a cupcake. Cupcake. I have a cupcake. Let's set it aside. Let's see what's the other plaster figurine. Oh my god, look! It's a croissant. And what is this? What's this? I guess this is a piece of a pie. Strawberry pie. And we also have 6 beautiful colors. Yeah. Let's see what's. We have donuts. Okay. Oh my god. This donut is kind of huge than the other plaster figurines. So cute, Lucy. See? Delicious, right? Even though we don't adding colors yet. And we do have 6 colors again. We have red, yellow, blue, green, pink, and orange. Okay, let's see what we have. We have tiny waffles and pizza. And tiny color paint. So little. Same colors. And what do we have here? Whoa! We have lots of colors. I mean painting. Ha ha ha. I mean figurine. Plaster figurine. This one, I really don't know. When I bought this is assorted. It means that I get what the seller is going to pack. So let's see. I don't know this yet. Okay, let's see. I know it's, I guess, Halloween, but I haven't choose what kind of Halloween theme. So let's see if this is the Halloween. Okay, let's see if this is the Halloween or not. Let's see, because there is no label. Oh, we have a cute brush. See the brush? I like this brush. It will help us paint on edges. Okay, and let's see what's inside. Oh no, it's not Halloween. And we have a free gloss pumpkin tub. Not for a kid. Of course, we're not gonna use this. And let's see. Apply to fully dry painted figure to make your kids painting shine like a real ref magnet. So our painting can be a souvenir or gift. We can attach this to our refrigerator because we have a magnet, ref magnet. So cute, right? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 winning crown trophy. I'm sorry. And this number one star. Oh my god, I think this the crown chip off, but we can make it work. I'm gonna put glue on the crown. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors and ref magnet. We can attach that on the back of our figurine and use it as a ref magnet, a souvenir, or a gift. Okay, what else do we have here? I'm looking for the Halloween. I remember that I have one, but I don't. Oh, this is the Halloween. Whoa, this is the Halloween. It's not on a box, but it's okay because I really don't know what set I'm going to have. Set A or set B for the Halloween special or edition. Okay, we have ghost. What's this? Skeleton. And I don't know this one. But look how neat they pack the figurine. That looks nice. And we still have the same colors. Let's see how can we work on this. We can actually mix the colors if we want a different color for each figurine. Let's be creative, right? Okay, let's proceed. I have a lot of figurines, right? Oh, another set of Halloween. This is a pumpkin and pumpkin with hat. Pretty, right? Let's see what we have here. We have horse. We have horse. Oh, this is under the sea. This is under the sea. We have, of course, her horse. I'm sorry. Shell and seashell. Let's see. We have. I wanna see. But be careful because this is fragile. Okay. Mermaid tail. Yeah. Mermaid tail. I wanna take a closer look. Open this one. It's a mermaid tail. I wanna grab this tail. Mermaid tail. We're right. We have a mermaid tail And we also have magnet strip. This is for the back. We can put that on the back of the figurine and use it as a ref magnet. I'm sorry. We can give this to our loved ones on Christmas or on their birthdays, or make it as a souvenir. Whatever occasion you want to give your figurine. And we have here teapot, and we have snacks, crackers, cupcake, honey. Okay, let's proceed to the next figurine. We have a lot of figurines. This is a huge box. So we have burger and waffle burger. And we have magnet. Okay, I'm sorry if I can't I can't rotate it at once. So this is dinosaur. My daughter loves dinosaur and mermaids. Of course she loves dinosaurs, Hello Kitty, Hatchimals, and all cute stuff. And we're not finished yet. We have a lots of figurine on the box, inside the box rather. This is a whale and owl. Cute. We have white. See, we don't have white on other figurine. Okay. Next, we have shooting star and unicorn horn. See, look at this. Can you see it? See? Okay. And last two. Oh my god, this is one of her favorite. See, Dino and Hello Kitty in one. And this one is like for Coco. You know the Disney Coco. Okay, I'm not promoting Coco. I just thought about it because I saw this kind of skull. It looks like one. Okay, and we have what we have here: Hello Kitty and Popsicle, and we have a butterfly. Cutie, right? And nothing. We have an extra colors and paintbrush. It is so beautiful. What I actually noticed with the colors, most of the color paint are the same per package, per figurine, but some colors they have other colors like white or brown. No, actually there's no brown here, but in extra color we bought extra colors just to be safe. We're not going to you know what they call this, lacking of colors. We have enough for everything, for all the figurines. So we have one brown, and now we have two white paint. That is, I noticed about this figurine set, we have repeated colors. Maybe because that is what the supplier have. So okay, that's it. Stay tuned for my next video where I will play with the paint and show you how we make it. How we make it as one of the souvenirs for birthdays, in other occasions, let's say Christmas gift, New Year's gift, right? It is a collectible because we have different kind of figurines. So that's it. That is what I noticed when you bought figurines online. We have a bit, not all, like 99% are okay, and 1% of the figurine is damaged, but not so damaged. I mean, not that damaged, but it's okay. What else? The color are repeated. It means like we're using primary colors. We're just going to play the paint and mix it together to have a different set of colors. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching, and this is Kali. See you on my next.